YouTube family. This is me coming with y'all with my living room redo. I'm redoing it over, painting it all white. And that's my breaker box. So I'm gonna put a big picture, find a big picture to go over there. Yeah. And taking these blinds down. Got a little bit of touch up to do on the ceiling and the walls. Yeah. I'm painting everything white. And I just put these pictures on the wall because I was just trying to see how would they look. But I don't know if I'm keeping them or not up there. Yeah. And I am getting a new door to put up here. This door won't be there. And my things are gold. I'm putting over the light fixture light. But I gotta take the black one piece out. Yeah. These blinds will be off of here. They're not stained. And these baseboards, I'm painting them white too. All the baseboards gonna be white. And they actually gonna be nailed up there. I just placed them up there just to see how they would look. Yeah, I'm painting those white and redoing the floors. Yes, I'm gonna redo these floors because they don't look right. They don't look right, so I'm gonna redo the floors. That's my breaker box, so I'm in the process looking for a big picture to cover that up. I know y'all remember my living room used to be bluish green, no, bluish gray. And yeah, now I'm going for all white. This is the stain I'm using to put my stuff on that I'm working with. And this is my new blue couch. No, you can't see it through the plastic. I just don't want no paint on it. And these are the curtains that I'm thinking about putting up. But of course, the other two hadn't arrived. So I'm waiting on them to come in. And once we redo the floors, I'm putting the carpet down. So once we get through the floors, and it's gonna be carpet down here on the floor. But I was thinking about getting a blue and white chair to go along with this couch that I have put out about. Yeah, just come with y'all with an update because I know y'all didn't want to see nobody painting a whole room, which it took me a couple of days to paint because I had other things to do. Yeah, this door here, it's gonna be gone because I have a new door. It's on this way, so that's gonna be. And then I'm putting the door up here with this bedroom. So yeah, this is what's going on so far. And I'm waiting on my curtains to come in, and I don't know if I'm just gonna keep those and put them up. I'm gonna put them up to see how they look. If I like them, I liked them on the site when I seen it, but I'm gonna see how they look up on the window with, you know, my furniture and my end tables that I gotta put up. And yeah, TV stand. And I don't know if I was thinking about putting my TV on the wall right here, or should I put my TV right here, or should I just put mirrors right there? I haven't really decided yet. Then I'm gonna have to hide the cords because I don't like cords showing. But yeah, I wanted to come on here to let y'all know what I've been doing. Yeah.
We used to talk about forever.
Painted the whole, I gotta finish that piece today. Right there, painting it white. Gotta finish painting that. Yeah, see, these are the pictures that I was thinking about leaving up here, but I don't know yet. I don't know if I am or not, but if I do, you'll see it in the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share. Yeah, and I have plenty more other things that's coming on my channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and become part of the family. And have a blessed day. Bye. Good morning, YouTube world. This is Martha's Reader TV, and I'm coming to you with a new update. Yes, I'm changing my living room around. I painted the walls white, and I bought some new curtains from Amazon. These curtains here, but come to find out they're way too short. Right there, they're too short. So I had to order some more is coming in. I painted the wall white, and I changed that. I gotta change the black one to white too. And I got the baseboards. I got to put the baseboards up around. And this is my new couch that I got, but these pillows that came with it, it's not gonna stay on now because it got green, and that's not one of my colors. Yeah, so this is the new couch, and these are the curtains that I had got from Amazon, but wire gonna be down showing, but or I might just put mirrors up there. I haven't really know